Hey guys, it's Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we're going to talk about the most powerful wheel cleaner on the market that is also safe for polished aluminum wheels. That is none other than TUGA Wheel Cleaner. For those of you that have already used TUGA Wheel Cleaner, this product certainly needs no introduction. I'm sure you've already reordered it. You've probably one of the 5-star reviews we have on our website for it, and you probably love it as much as I do. But this video is for those of you who have not tried it or heard of it yet. So when it comes to wheel cleaners, there's a variety of things that you want to keep in mind before selecting what will work for you. Obviously, performance, cleaning power is number one. Number two is how safe will it be on all surfaces, whether it's clear coat or polished aluminum, ceramic coated wheels, chrome wheels, or anything else. Number three is the user experience. What's the smell like? Is it an uncomfortable experience for you to use the product? Number four, and perhaps the most important, is how much time does it save you, or how much work is it for you to use that product to do what you want to do? And then number five, I would say, is viscosity, which kind of works into all of the other attributes, the first four attributes that I mentioned. When it comes to viscosity, obviously you don't want something that's too thick and just sits there and doesn't spray. And you also don't want something that's too thin and just runs down the wheel, since there's a lot of inverted surfaces on a wheel. So we're going to talk about all of those today. With TUGA Wheel Cleaner, I feel like it's the best of pretty much every one of those attributes, rather than being a wheel acid that's going to damage surfaces, and rather than being a gentle soap that's not going to do anything. It's right in between. It's pH balanced, so it's safe on nearly every surface, including polished aluminum. Most wheel cleaners, especially if they're a little bit on the acidic side, are going to damage polished aluminum, otherwise known as raw aluminum. And they're also potentially going to damage some ceramic coatings out there. So the great thing about TUGA is it has the performance in spades. It dissolves the brake dust, the dirt, the grime, the oil, all that stuff. It just dissolves it without much work at all. You really don't need to agitate it much. Just a light agitation will get 100% of everything off after you let it sit there for a minute. And even if, just theoretically speaking, you did not touch it with a brush, just simply spraying it on the surface and then rinsing it back off with a hose or pressure washer will take off over 90% of the brake dust, contaminants, and everything else. Basically, it does the job for you. When it comes to safety, I think I mentioned this, but polished aluminum, safe on polished aluminum, safe on pretty much every wheel surface out there. We have not tested it on anodized wheels, but there's not a lot of those out there, but we would say that's the only one we're not positive about. Everything else, you're good to go. So the only thing we don't like about TUGA Wheel Cleaner is not actually the wheel cleaner itself at all. It's simply the nozzle. The stock nozzle that comes with the bottle tends to spray a stream directly out instead of a nice mist, which we prefer. Obviously, a mist is going to put the product where you want it in a nice wide pattern, and you're going to end up using a lot less product than if you shoot it out as a stream. So while you can use the nozzle as is and get probably about 4 car washes out of it, get all your wheels done at 4 different times, we would recommend switching that up, and that way you can boost that to 10 plus car washes. In other words, take this nozzle off, which is easily to do, and you can just pop on a different nozzle, or you can do like we've done here and use it with the IKA sprayer. The TR1 works fantastic for it. No issues with the chemicals inside that. You can just pop it in the TR1 and then put on one of our wheel cleaner labels, or use the label that comes with it. If you compare it directly to one of our other top sellers, that would be the CarPro Wheel X. You're going to find that CarPro Wheel X is just slightly stronger, although that does come at a cost to polished aluminum surfaces and stuff like that. You want to be a lot more careful with those surfaces if you're going to use that slightly more acidic product. When it comes to smell, the comparison would be that the CarPro Wheel X is slightly more pungent than the TUGA Wheel Cleaner. Neither one of these are going to smell like roses, but TUGA will get the slight nod in the scent department. And then finally, when it comes to viscosity, it is a slightly thicker product, a little bit more of a gel-like. So I think that covers all the attributes of TUGA Wheel Cleaner. As far as how exactly to use it, basically you're going to find a shaded area, you're going to rinse your wheel off, and then you take the TUGA Wheel Cleaner, get a nice fine mist all around the surfaces of your wheel. You're going to let that sit for a minute, and what you'll find is that anywhere where there's brake dust or any type of ferrous contaminant, you're going to see a color change reaction. The chemical is actually going to turn purple, turn red, where it's dissolving that brake dust. And then after that, you can rinse it off with a pressure washer or hose, or if you want to do things precisely right, go ahead and hit it with a light brush of your Microfiber Madness Incredibrush or your Wheel Woolly or your Incrediflare, whatever you use to get that little bit of agitation in there. Go ahead and do that and then rinse it really clean, dry it off, and you're good to go. So I think that's all there is to say about TUGA Wheel Cleaner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I definitely enjoyed making it. If you haven't already used TUGA Wheel Cleaner, pick it up. You definitely won't regret that. If you haven't already done so, please be sure to subscribe and like the video. Share it if you can. We really appreciate all the support that you guys give us, and we look forward to seeing you next time.